This video is about everyone's favorite topic, geometric dimensioning and tolerancing in VGSTUDIO Max. Ha, if only that were true. We know geometric tolerances can be a nuisance for many users, and when it comes to a large number of objects, even the most experienced metrology engineers can get confused. But we want to change that once and for all. That's why in the new 2023.3 version, we've come up with a way to present the flood of parameters and numbers in an intuitive and understandable way, and take the fear out of GD&T. Say hello to the new tolerance zones. Geometric tolerances now show their tolerance zones when selected, here in the 2D windows, and especially here in 3D. You can see very clearly that these are actually volumes. Within such a tolerance volume, the object surface has to be in the right orientation to be tolerated. It's as simple as that. So from now on, when you click on a tolerance in the scene tree or when you generate automatic images, you can immediately see if the value of a feature is within the tolerance, or how far out of tolerance it is. What's more, the intuitive color coding lets you see the status at a glance. Green is okay, red is not. This works for all types: lines, circles, freeform surfaces, whatever you want. Change the size of the tolerance, and you can instantly see the effects in all 2D and 3D windows. And all of a sudden, GD&T becomes really fun. Well, almost. Introducing our new tolerance zones in VGSTUDIO Max 2023.3. See at a glance where it fits and where it doesn't.